Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I am currently uploading every day in the month of August, and I have a giveaway going on. I will leave a link to it down below. I got a very interesting email this morning, and I thought I need to share it with my friends. So I literally put some makeup on, didn't do my nails. Nails look crazy, although Halo Beauty has been keeping my real nails really long. Link to that video down below, Halo Beauty. I think that video might make it to 1 million views. I mean, it might take 20 million years, but it might get there. We will see. So let's go through this, and I want to hear your thoughts down below. I don't think anybody's done a video on YouTube on this yet, or maybe, I don't know. First up, so little history. I have been subscribed to IPSY for like 5 years. I've always paid for it with my own money for like 5 years. I literally got the $10 bag. Just a couple of months ago, literally 3 or 4 months ago, I upgraded to Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month for 5 full-size products. And then I got this email, which is very interesting. I wanted to share it with you. So it says, your Glam Bag Plus is getting even better, girl. It doesn't say girl. I've had a lot of caffeine. You guys know I get a little cuckoo on caffeine. Number one, you're gonna get a makeup bag. So that didn't used to happen. If you haven't seen my recent IPSY Glam Bag Plus unboxing, I'll leave a link to it down below. You might wanna pause this and go and check that one out, because I basically roasted IPSY in a very nice way, but I have not been happy with the Glam Bag Plus. And if you wanna see why, I'll leave a link down below. So I think it's cool that you get a makeup bag, because with the $10 subscription, you get a makeup bag, which honestly, when I subscribed to Glam Bag Plus, I thought, why doesn't this have a makeup bag? You're paying more money. You would think they shouldn't take something away. You know what I'm saying? Anybody else feel that way? So you get the products, which are great. You get full-size products, yay. But I just thought, I really liked getting the makeup bags with the $10 subscription. So that's pretty cool. Another benefit, which I think is really nice, you get to choose one product for your Glam Bag Plus. I can never say it properly. So they'll give you 10 options and you select one, and then they'll kind of build the box around what you chose. I really like that idea, because if you saw when I roasted them in that video, you'll know why I like that idea. I really like that a lot. And it says you can still count on the value. Like there's still I didn't know this, each Glam Bag Plus is worth $120 or more. I mean, I just knew you got full-size products, but that's cool. But it sucks if you can't use 90% of the stuff they send you. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I digress. And of course, you can still pick add-ons. I've never done that. You can pick up to 5 add-ons, and you get like a discounted price. But here is the piece de resistance. Did I say that right? The big shebang, like the holy fun and fresh like moment we've all been waiting for, the hot girl summer moment. Am I saying all the Instagram terms here? Am I even using them properly? Probably not. Thank you guys for educating me on what hot girl summer is. I finally heard the song with Nicki Minaj and whoever the girl, I still don't even know the girl's name, but I like it a lot. And I've heard the song with the girl that does like the basketball thing off her butt. What is her name? Normani? I really like that song too. Just some little information, 411 on Nikki. You can upgrade, there's a new glam bag. It's called the Glam Bag Ultimate. And it says, try our newest membership for the beauty obsessed. Glam Bag Ultimate, an indulgent beauty experience with 12 products a month. So they've gone from 5 like sample size products for $10 a month, 5 full-size products for $25 a month. Oh, I just clicked the button. Now I understand. In the email, they make it sound like it's 12 full-size products. It's 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe size samples personalized for you. You get to choose one product each month, and it's $50 a month. And it begins in October. I'm tempted to try that just to review it for you guys. I mean, you could cancel it at any time. What do you know? What do you know? What do you think? Would you like to see me review that? So 8 full-size products, 4 deluxe size samples. You get to choose one product, and then they kind of build it around what you chose. It says each delivery is a $250 value plus free shipping, and that's $50 a month. Being the makeup beauty lover that I am, I kind of want to try it and review it for you guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. Are you picking it up? Are you not? Are you interested in it? I really do like the benefits that they've added for the Glam Bag Plus though. I like that you get a makeup bag now. I really like that you can choose a product because then maybe they will actually send me stuff I can actually use. And yeah, but I'm interested to try the Ultimate. Let me know your thoughts down below. Are you gonna pick it up? Are you not? Are you even subscribed to IPSY? Do you get the Glam Bag, the original, the Plus? Are you gonna get the Ultimate? If you haven't seen my recent unboxing of the Glam Bag Plus, check it out right here because I basically roast IPSY.